This is the Aero Racetech slip-on exhaust made in carbon fiber with the carbon fiber end cap specifically for the Suzuki GSX-R1000 and R1000R models from 2017 and up. This exhaust reduces the overall weight and dimensions of your stock exhaust while also increasing the internal volume to give you a great advantage in noise dampening and performance. This is achieved by using a profile that features a diamond-shaped design, which makes it possible to reduce those overall dimensions while still keeping a traditional shape and normal style. Make sure to order your exhaust from accessoryinternational.com.
Thanks for watching our video today. My name is Alex at Accessories International out of Miami, Florida. Give us a call for any questions, and thanks for tuning in.